How to add name on Subway Surfers game. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how you can add your name on Subway Surfers game. Subway Surfers, a game all about endless runs, collecting coins, and dodging that grumpy inspector. So to add your name on Subway Surfers game, first open the Subway Surfers app. When you tap on the Settings button, you may notice that there is no option to change your name anywhere. So the only way to personalize your name on Subway Surfers is by connecting it to either your Game Center or Facebook account. If you connect it to your Game Center, your Subway Surfers name will automatically change to match your Game Center name. Similarly, if you link it to Facebook, your Facebook name will be displayed in the game. Now, when you launch Subway Surfers again, that new username will be displayed on the leaderboard. And this is how to add name on Subway Surfers. If you have any questions about adding a name on Subway Surfers, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.